Stop. If you're thinking about buying ProfitBrand AI, something you need to know first. Because what if I told you, you can launch a complete profitable brand in any niche, in under 10 minutes, no content creation, no experience, no skills, and it literally starts making affiliate commissions on autopilot? Sounds insane, right? In this video, I'll give you a full honest review of ProfitBrand AI, show you what it actually does, how it works, and whether it's worth your money or just another overhyped AI tool. And yes, I've also added some exclusive bonuses that can 10x your results. If you decide to get ProfitBrand AI, make sure you use the link in the description. Because I'm giving away 4 powerful bonuses with full resell rights that can literally help you build multiple income streams. What is ProfitBrand AI? ProfitBrand AI is a done-for-you AI system that builds a complete niche business for you from scratch. You simply pick a niche and the AI builds everything. Your brand identity, your content, your strategy, and your monetization. All ready to launch instantly. This is not just a tool. It's a complete business in a box system. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. No niche knowledge required, no content creation needed, unlimited AI-generated videos, built-in affiliate monetization, and works on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram. And the biggest benefit? You don't start from zero anymore. While others spend months building a brand, you launch in minutes. Inside ProfitBrand AI, you get complete niche business identity, name, bio, branding, 30-day content calendar, AI-generated videos ready to post, captions, hooks, CTAs, copy-paste. Image library for thumbnails and posts, affiliate product suggestions plus monetization plan and commercial license, sell services for $500 to $2,000. Plus, 100% cloud-based and works on any device. This is basically like having a full marketing team powered by AI. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep it real. Pros: beginner friendly, saves massive time, complete done-for-you system and works in any niche. Cons: requires consistency, you still need to post, results are not instant, takes effort, and depends on how well you follow the system. Results: what to expect. You can build faceless TikTok pages, YouTube Shorts channels, and Instagram theme pages. And monetize with affiliate links, brand deals, and sponsored posts. Some users reported making $2,000, $5,000 per month after following the system consistently. But remember, this is not magic and it's leverage. Now here's where it gets even better. If you grab ProfitBrand AI through my link, you get Bonus 1 Short-Form Video Empire Kit. Create viral short videos in minutes and build your own content empire on autopilot. Bonus 2 DFY Video Funnel System. Launch high-converting funnels instantly and generate leads and sales without tech skills. Bonus 3 Wellness Profit Portal Builder. Tap into the booming wellness niche and build ready-to-sell portals instantly. Bonus 4 AI Ebook Profit System. Create and sell ebooks without writing and scale your digital income fast. Total bonus value: $1,109 plus yours free today. So, is ProfitBrand AI worth it? If you want a done-for-you online business, AI automation and passive affiliate income, or a shortcut into any niche, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Especially with the 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're serious, click the link in the description, grab ProfitBrand AI at the lowest price and lock in all bonuses before they expire. This isn't just another tool, this is your shortcut to owning a profitable brand in 2026. The question is, will you take action, or keep watching others win? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next review.